Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, March 22nd. What we can see is a very enthusiastic response here in the NASDAQ market. I don't look for the same size of move for Friday, but I do look for positive commitment, and that would be a positive green candle at slightly higher prices. Asia is just starting to trade, and you can see it's holding its own so far in that market. Ideally, Asia would be the low for that session. And in the currencies, in the euro, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in this market between that bearish and bullish levels there is $1,000 a contract. I do look for inside to only slightly lower movement, more of an inside type day. Let's go back to those currencies. And I also want to mention to you the Canadian dollar. This market also traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $680 a contract. And again, I'm looking for an inside to only slightly lower movement in that market. And when it comes to Bitcoin, Bitcoin did trade below its bearish level. Magnitude change in that market is $850 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day on Friday. Now, let's talk about interest rates. The 10-year notes, I like the action that we're seeing. Asia is holding its own. That's okay. But you want to see some sideways movement in Europe and then some downward pressure in the U.S. session. So that is what I'm looking for. And I was looking for an inside day in the gold market. You can see it did give us a big inside day, but big is the word, very volatile. Look for more of the same, though, when it comes to Friday's action. And in the crude oil market, it did get stronger. Fundamentals I don't think are that strong. It's more perception that got us here. I wouldn't be surprised to see us even close above 60. Again, I'm very skeptical of this market in terms of maintaining these higher levels. And in soybeans, it's a market that's winding up for a move to the upside. I think also today it's going to be important to see that follow through and commitment. Monday is going to be critical for this market. And that concludes today's market studies. Look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.